from my kitchen again, and today I am so excited. I just got this delivered from the UK, and I have been waiting for this package to arrive because this is one of the best pans ever. Let me take it out and I'll show it to you first, and then I'll tell you what it's all about. There it is. Oh wow. Oh, this is fantastic. I love it. This is my new Netherton Foundry Prospector pan. It's spun iron. This spun iron pan is far superior to cast iron, mainly because it's about 50% of the weight of the same size pan in cast iron, but just as much, if not more, durability than cast iron. Make sure you read about it on their website. I believe they have a video there as well, how they tell you how spun iron is the way to go. And the Netherton Foundry in the UK has over 3 decades of cookware design experience. This is really cool. This comes pre-seasoned. As I said, it's very lightweight. It's amazing. I love the little details, the gold rivets on the handles, and I love having the 2 smaller handles instead of having a big handle. So if you're cooking on the stovetop, you don't want that big handle to get in the way. You have a whole bunch of pans on the stovetop. This is just perfect to nestle right in there. This pan is also available in 5 different sizes as well. This is the 12-inch one that I ordered. And as a bonus, this will fit perfectly in the Big Green Egg as well. This is rated for high heat searing, for low heat, any kind of heat you can dish out. Perfect for the oven, perfect for the stovetop, the barbecue. I did read online that it comes pre-seasoned, like most cast irons would, and the only thing they recommend for washing is just hot water and a nylon brush. That's it. And just baby this thing. And every time you cook on it, man, it just gets better and better and better. There's a little info card in there as well. Made in Britain, family-owned company, sturdy traditional designs, eco-friendly. They're just amazing. I found them online. Look for them online, social media. They're all over the place. This is going to be a fantastic addition to my cookware collection, and I want you to check them out on the website. I'll link it down below. I'm going to show you how to make my Greek chicken and potatoes in this new pan, but please join me as I prepare this, bake this off. I'll show you the finished results. This has become one of my favorites. I just know it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned as I show you what I'm going to cook in here.